Hi, my name is Enin, and today we are going to learn more about the command prompt. We are going to learn about how to navigate through the command prompt. We are going to learn how to use it to copy, delete a file or a folder, and to do a lot of things. So to open the command prompt, we can use the Windows key and the R. We are only doing this video on Windows. So if you are using Linux or Mac, you are going to experience different things, which we will discuss later. So on Windows, you can just press Windows and then R, then you type CND, then press enter to run the command prompt. Alright, so our command prompt is ready for us. I'll see this black surface. This is the command prompt. It is running in the system 32s. So this is the title of the command prompt we have opened. We can also change it. We can change the title. Let's say title, this is the same title. Title is introduction to command prompts part 1. Very nice. I'll see the title has changed. Introduction to command prompt part 1. Alright, so actually I don't like this color. I want to change the color to 1F. This is the color I've been using all the time when I'm coding. So you most of the time see this color in my video. So you can change the color, and then let me try this one. Color is 1-2. So the white has changed to green. So I can also change the color to 0D. Sorry, color 0D. Oh, I think I have problem here. Set the default console foreground and the background colors. So color attribute. So specifies color attribute of the console. So these are the colors here. Let me change this one. This one I think it's black. So 1F. I like this color, the blue and the white. So you can see black, blue, green. So the numbers are here. So this is what I used. One is blue. That's why you see background blue color here, and then the F is bright white. So that's how I'm able to use the color to control the command prompt. So you can also type color help to display the code for each color. So in the command prompt we have gray here, light blue, light green, light aqua, light red, and the rest. So we can use it to do a lot of things. But that's not all. We can also use the command prompt to navigate through the Explorer. I can use it to open the Explorer. So if I type Explorer, bam. Oh, let's see. Yeah, our Explorer is out. So we can use it to do a lot of things without using the mouse. So I don't like the Explorer again. Let me exit this Explorer. Alt plus F. I'm using Alt plus. I don't want to use the mouse to close it. So I can use it to open the Explorer. I can also use it to navigate through the windows without using the Explorer. For example, if you want to go, we are now in C drive C uses my PC. So let's see the files in my PC. So to see the files inside a folder, you just have to use dir, meaning directory. This one, I think even in Android OS they use this type of syntax. So learning the command prompt helps you to learn the code in many other languages like Android Studio. You can also use it to learn basics of VBA. They have similar syntax. You can also use to learn HTML. So learning the syntax in command prompts helps a lot. So let's continue. So I type dir and then press enter. Now you can see that we have directories here, directories here, directories here. So all those with directories here, they are all folders. So in my PC I have folders here, untitled project, searches, save game. Let's go and see those folders. So let me use the Explorer to see. Explorer. Bam. So this is my PC. This PC, we are in my PC, so I think it's the same. This PC. Okay, so we can see uh, let me go back. Where is it? Yeah, this is the Explorer. Let me go back. Yeah, so you can see let's search for my PC. Good. Now this is at my PC. You can see the search here. Searches is here. All right. This is hiding. So search desktop is also here. Yeah, and all the apps.net is here. So .100 and the rest, VS Code, everything is here. So you can open the folders and then navigate. Open file, you can use it to play music, you can use it to play video without always depending on the lazy Explorer. So you can, let's go back to the desktop and see the folders there if you can open. Now we are in my PC, we want to move back. So to move back, you can press cd dot enter. So we have moved back from my PC to users. So you can also type dir to see the files in there. So you can see that my PC was inside users. So see my PC, and we also have public here, and we have my PC. But we want to move back to desktop. So desktop is in users. See desktop is in users. So let's move to my PC. Cd my PC directory. So cd desktop. So we are moving forward. Cd desktop directory. Cd. We only have one folder here. That's one directory. In Windows we call it folder. So in command prompt we call it directory. So we have only one folder here. New folder 2. So we just have to cd new folder, bring the brackets, and we bring the 2 inside. But there is one thing I have to tell you. If you are naming your files or your folders, make sure you don't bring spaces between. If you do that, the command prompt is going to find it very difficult to see that folder. It's going to look at it as different syntax altogether. So cd means so get inside. So in the normal terms, so we want to get inside the new folder, but it will look at new differently, and it will look at the folder differently, and will look at the 2 differently. So it's not going to look at it all together. So let's press enter and see what will happen. Yeah, we are inside new folder 2, but this is a folder, this is a directory, so it's able to recognize it. But if it is not a directory and it is a file, you will see error or something different. So let's move inside with new folder 2 and see what is inside there. Bruh, in your computer you might see different files here. You might not see the new folder 2 there. You can create one on your own and then put files inside using the Explorer, so that you can also follow the tutorials very easy. So these are the files I have on my folder or on my directory. So let's look at this file. OneNote. Nope. Let me see this file. Yes, new test documents 3.txt. This is a file we want to open. So these files are having spaces between the naming. So let's copy the file. You can just select the file like this with the mouse and then copy. I don't want to waste time typing everything. So let me paste it here. Control plus V and it will just paste. So let me hit enter. See new test document 3.txt. New is not, so it only look at the new and then forgot all the rest of the names here. So to be able to open this file, you have to bring quotation marks, double quotation marks in front of the name. So quotation marks, new test documents 3.txt. Wow, so that's it. So let's hit enter and see. Now the new test document has opened. So in some of the names you bring spaces between. If you have spaces between your name, you just have to bring double quotation marks. And if you don't have any space between the names, for example, we want to play music, I don't know, yeah, this music Sarkodie, when I grew up, this music very good. So I have this on my computer. Maybe you don't have that file on your computer. So let me type quickly and see what will happen. Sarkodie, then underscore when I underscore grow underscore up underscore ft underscore so IKEUKWU bracket, I can spell it well, IKECHU KWU bracket 360 P bracket code MP4. See, I didn't use in the naming of the file. You can see that they have all been typed in upper cases, but I can choose to type it in lower cases or lowercase, capitalize the first letter. So let me hit enter and then see how it will run. Enter. Ooh. Let's wait. Another enter. Wow, this file is not working. So Sarkodie is not recognizing there. So let me bring this. not recognized means the file is not there. So let me copy the name. Maybe I made typing mistake here. Still not recognized. Oh, what could be the possible problem? See this. Most of the files are having brackets like this at the end of the file's name. This is not recognized by the command prompt, so this is the reason why it's not working like that. So let's put it in a curly braces, this one here. Let me adjust this. You see, it's playing.
It's an E baby cookie thing.
All right, so you know how to open file. It could be a video, it could be a file. How will you know that this is a video, this is a text document, this is Microsoft PowerPoint? Or you see, at the end of each file, the extension will just display here. The extension will tell this. So this is test, tst, test. This mp4, this is a video, this is ilnk. It's OneNote document, Outlook document, Power ISO, so PowerPoint presentation. So all these files, they are having extension. So this one is Office document. So the DOS extension is displaying the Office document, so you can see them throughout. Or let's say I want to open let's say I want to install something, but I don't have any setup here. I want to move back to my drive where I have something to install. So I want to move back to drive H. Now we are in drive C. So let's move to H. Just type H, bring colon and press enter. Now we are in drive H. Let's look at it. See, drive H is there, and these are the files in my drive H. So let's move to important document. I don't think I have files here, but let me try new folder. cd new. We want to make